Don't allow the enemy to sear your conscience. Cause you to be insensitive and unresponsive to call. Yes. There's some things as you walk with God that people are going to knock on your door with. They might step on your toe. But you can't be unresponsible because you got to say, this year I ain't missing it. I missed it. I missed it 3 years. I missed it 4 years. You all say, you stepped on the right one. You all say, Lord, help me, Lord. I give them the right one too. But if you step back on the other, the kingdom of God suffer violence. I done gave you grace. I done gave you mercy. Oh, yeah. I ain't telling you that nobody run over you. Man, there's some things that will stop the believer from moving forward.